In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE chemistry problems under protein. So guys, we have 3 repeated questions to participate in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the hydrolysis of protein by dilute minerals acids produces. So the right answer will be option B, which is amino acids. It's a very simple question. So the next repeated question will be here. It says which of the following substance is a polypeptide. So this is also easy from the options we have. So it's option B, protein. The last question I have here before we end this video will be this one. It says when protein is heated to high temperature, it undergoes, we have option A, hydrolysis, we have denaturation, polymerization, condensation. So the right answer will be option B, which is denaturation. When protein is heated to a high temperature, it undergoes denaturation. So guys, this is basically I can deal with problems involving proteins for your WASSCE chemistry practice with 2 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Also, ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.